Good day. My name is Emmanuel Olawale. I'm an attorney based in Columbus, Ohio. I'm also the host of Legal Angle with Emmanuel the Law Olawale. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the coronavirus stimulus package in regards to small businesses, nonprofit organizations, independent contractors, and a host of others. Congress has made available over $350 billion for small businesses to help alleviate the financial burden caused by the coronavirus. There are two important programs that small businesses can avail themselves of under the stimulus package. The first one is the Paycheck Protection Program, PPP. The other one is the Economic Injury Loan Disaster Program, EIDL. First of all, let us discuss those businesses that are eligible. 1. Any business with 500 or less employees. 2. Self-employed individuals, sole proprietors, independent contractors. 3. 501c3 nonprofit organizations. This includes churches, religious organizations, charitable organization, or any organization with 501c3 with 500 or fewer employees. 4. Tribal businesses. 5. 501c9 veterans organizations. 6. Any business categorized as accommodation and food services, such as hotels and restaurants, with 500 or fewer employees. 7. Independently owned franchises. 8. Internet-based businesses, as long as they have 500 or fewer employees. Now, let's talk about the PPP, which is the Payroll Protection Program. The Payroll Protection Program is a loan that is 100% forgivable as long as the business used the loan for the intended use. The loan is to help businesses cover up to 8 weeks of payroll, utility bills, rent, and mortgage interest. Note mortgage interest, not the mortgage itself. The loan is 100% forgivable as long as the business uses it to cover 75% of payroll cost. 75% of the loan must be used for payroll for it to be forgivable. Any portion of the loan that is used for something else will have to be paid back. Let's say, for instance, now a business gets the loan and use half of the loan to pay for car note. That half will have to be paid back. However, if the business used either 100% of the loan to cover its payroll cost or 75% of the loan to cover payroll, they will not have to pay back a dime. The loan will be 100% forgivable. And a business can get up to $10 million in loan. The maximum a business can get is $10 million and $100,000 per employee. That is the maximum. $100,000 per employee or $10 million maximum in aggregate. Also, if a business reduces the wages of its employees by more than 25%, the loan will not be forgivable. They will have to pay it back. Also, if a business did not rehire employees it has laid off, it will have to pay back the portion of the loan. However, if a business either rehires employees it had laid off, before June 30, 2020, it wouldn't have to pay the loan back. If it also retains its employees and use the loan for payroll, it will not have to pay the loan back. For those that may have to pay back portion of the loan or the entire loan, the interest rate is 1%. And there's a 2-year repayment plan. And they can request up to 6 months deferment before they can start paying the loan. What is the application process? Applications will have to be submitted through local banks. So if you are interested in the loan, you have to contact your local bank to apply for the loan. And you have to do it as soon as possible because there is a limited amount available. And once those amount has been exhausted, if you apply, they may not have funds available. The application process started on April 3rd, 2020. The application process began on April the 3rd, 2020. So contact your local bank to find out what documents they will need from you to apply for the loan today. The second one is the EIDL. Under the EIDL, which is the Economic Injury Loan Disaster Program, there are 2 aspects. The first one is a grant of up to $10,000 that businesses will not have to pay back. The second one is a loan with a cap of $2 million. That means that a business can get up to $2 million under the EIDL, up to $2 million loan under the EIDL. So, but to qualify for the EIDL loan, a business must establish that they suffered some form of economic injury caused by the coronavirus. Those injuries could be in the form of loss of income, loss of revenue, loss of products, or loss of good. The funds under the EIDL grant or loan are flexible as to what they can be used for as compared to the PPP. Under the EIDL, the loans or the grant can be used to pay mortgages, to pay car note, to pay for regular business expenses, or to pay for the operational expenses of the business. The EIDL loan has an interest rate of 3.75%, and it can be deferred for up to 6 months. The application process is through the Small Businesses Administration, the SBA. So you have to go to their website, sba.gov, to apply. And business must exist as of January the 31st, 2020 to qualify for the EIDL grant or loan. So to apply for the PPP or the EIDL, I suggest you get some of these documents ready. Although your banks or the SBA may request additional documents, I would suggest you get your payroll cost documents ready, your profit and loss statements, your financial statements, and your most recent business tax returns. If you have questions or comments, send email to legalangle20@gmail.com. Remember, be safe, follow the CDC guidelines, and take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. This is Emmanuel Olawale. God bless you.